How to hide Instagram notification name on iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide the sender's name and message preview from Instagram notifications on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, then select Instagram from the list. Next, tap on Notifications. Scroll down and select Show Previews. Now, choose Never. Once you do this, Instagram notifications will still appear on your iPhone, but the sender's name and message content will stay hidden, helping protect your privacy whenever your phone is locked. If you only want to hide notification details on the lock screen while still seeing them when your iPhone is unlocked, you can choose When Unlocked instead of Never. That's it. Your Instagram notifications will now be much more private. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, Instagram tutorials, and iOS troubleshooting guides.